Okay, so up to now you all know how to do your programming on the robot. Yeah, both combine sensor and motor. So you are ready for your competition. So I will give you one example how your robot will run on the tracks for your competition. This program has been done by Sharp. So we have one track here, very crooked track. From the start, we have start here, and we have finish line here. So it could be longer track, but this is just example. So you should be able to do your program like this. So, see, open. Yeah.